Hello, I'm Chef Ken. I'm the program chair for Valencia College's culinary pastry program that is moving downtown in the fall of 2019. From the very first day of class, we tell the students about the Grand Buffet and how excited people are and the past Grand Buffets have been. We're serving traditional things, unusual things, pâtés, terrines.
Like the best part about the veal mushroom pâté is the mushrooms. They're so soft, and the prosciutto on the outside is giving it a really nice flavor. It's almost like you go to Sonny's barbecue.
There's going to be action stations. There's pasta stations, there's a carving station, so someone in a carving station may have to have a really good ability to grill, so the steaks come out perfect. People really can expand their palates. Who's ever eaten a Russian salmon turnover, and then they come back and say, what was that? They don't even know what to call it or what they just ate, but they just know that it was fantastic. And they want to know what it is so that they can remember it the next time. I think that's the best compliment.
If you're not here, you're missing out.
We started to serve a butternut squash ravioli.
Well, this was really good.
With a browned butter sauce, cream sauce, and it is absolutely amazing. The seafood sausages, freshly made. We always saute it as they're walking through the line because they can smell it, and just that great food smell. We also open it to the students' families. So the families get to come and see, finally, after these 2 years, what they've been doing. They can talk about it at home, but now they get to show them.
This looks so good.
This little sausage here is really good.
Having family support is huge.